Good morning, children. So, in the previous class, the how many are completed? In exercise 1.4, 5 Romans they are completed. Next, see the sixth Roman, children. Simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominator. Simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominator. So, what is the first question? 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. Okay, this is a question given, children. You have to rationalize the denominator. What is the denominator here, children? 6 plus 4 root 2 is the denominator. You have to rationalize this one. Rationalizing factor of 6 plus 4 root 2 is, what is the rationalizing factor for this one? Here plus is there means you should convert into minus. That means 6 minus 4 root 2. Okay. Now you have to multiple 6 minus 4 root 2 with numerator and denominator. Okay. Multiply 6 minus 4 root 2 both numerator and denominator. Okay. So multiple 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 minus 4 root 2. Okay, children. Now 6 minus 4 root 2, 6 minus 4 root 2. Both are equal. So how many times repeated? 2 times repeated. So you have to write 6 minus 4 root 2 whole square by 6 plus 4 root 2, 6 minus 4 root 2. How is it? A plus b into a minus b. So what is the formula? A square minus b square. So what is a here? 6 minus b. What is b? 4 root 2 whole square. Okay, ma'am. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is the a minus b whole square formula, children? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So you have to convert like that. So a square means 6 square minus 2 into a. A means 6 into b. What is b? 4 root 2. 4 root 2 plus b square. What is b? 4 root 2 whole square. 4 root 2 whole square by 6 square. 36 minus 4 square into root 2 whole square. That means 4 square into root 2 whole square. Square root will be cancelled. Okay. Now 6 square means how much? 36 minus 2 6 12. 12 4 48. 48 into root 2, 48 root 2. 48 root 2 plus here also 4 root 2 whole square means 4 square into root 2 whole square. So 4 square means how much? 16. Into root 2 whole square means square and root will be cancelled 2. Okay, 16 into 2 by 36 minus 4 square means 16. Root 2 whole square root will be cancelled now. So into 2. Okay. Now 36 minus 48 root 2. 16 2s how much? 32 by 36 minus here also 16 2s 32. Okay. Now 36 plus 32 how much? 6 plus 2 8. 3 plus 3 68 minus 48 root 2 by 36 minus 32 how much? 4. Okay, in the fourth table, these two are reducible or not? Once second, 4 ones 4. 2 is remaining, 4 sevens 28 is reducible. So, 4 ones 4, 2 is remaining 28, 4 sevens 28. 4 12. Okay, what is the answer now? 17 minus 12 root 2. Okay, did you understand that? Okay, in the sixth Roman, first one I told, second one, third one you can do homework, fourth one I will tell. 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2. So what is the denominator here? 3 root 3 plus root 2. Okay. So what is the rationalizing factor of 3 root 3 plus root 2 is 3 root 3 minus root 2. Okay. Now multiple. 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2 into 3 root 3 minus root 2 by 3 root 3 minus root 2. Okay. So 3 root 5, this one into this one multiple. Okay. So 3 3s, how much? 3 3s, 9. Root 5 into root 3, how much? Root 15. Next, 3, here minus is then a minus, 3 root 5 into root 2, how much? Root 10. Next, minus root 7 into 3 root 3. So 3 into 7 3 is how much? 21. So 3 7 3 is 21 minus of minus plus root 7 into root 2 how much? Root 14 by, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So 3 root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Okay. So here no simplification is there. So 9 root 15 minus 3 root 10 minus 3 root 21 plus root 14 by 3 square means 9 into root 3 whole square means how much? Square root will be cancelled 3 minus root 2 whole square means square root will be cancelled 2. Okay. So 9 root 15 minus 3 root 10 minus 3 root 21 plus root 14 by 9 3 is 27 minus 2. That equal to 9 root 15 minus 3 root 10 minus 3 root 21 plus root 14 by 27 minus 2 how much? 25. Okay ma? Come on write. Now see the seventh question children. Find the value of root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2 up to 3 decimal places. Here take root 2 value 1.414, root 3 value 1.732 and root 5 value 2.236 value. Okay. So what is given here? Given root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2. So first you should rationalizing the denominator. So what is the rationalizing factor of root 2? Rationalizing factor of root 2 is root 2 only. Okay, now multiple both numerator and denominator by root 2. So root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2 into root 2 by root 2. So now multiple 10 into 2 how much? Root 20 minus root 5 into 2 root 10 by 2 root 2 into root 2. That means how much? Root 20 minus root 10 by 2 root 2 into root 2 is 2 only. 2 into 2. Root 2 into root 2 how much? Root 2 whole square. Square root will be cancelled. 2 will be there. So root 20 minus root 10 by 2 2s how much? 4. Now you have to convert this one into root 2, root 3, root 5 decimals. So root 20, how can you write? Root 5 into 4. Can you write like this? Root 20. Next, root 10 value, root 5 into 2 by 4. Okay. Now here, root 5 into 4. What is the square root of 4 is 2. So you have to take out from square root. So 2, what is the remaining? Root 5 minus, here root 5 into root 2. There is no square root. So root 5 into root 2 like that only you should write by 4. Okay ma'am. Now you have to take the values. Here what is given? Root 2 value 1.414, root 3 value 1.732, root 5 value 2.236 like that given. Okay. So you should take it. So 2 into what is the root 5 value? 2.236 minus root 5 value is 2.236 into root 2 value 1.414 by 4. Okay, now multiple 2, 6, 12, 1 is remaining, 2, 3, 6 plus 1, 7, 2 2s 4, 0.2 4 minus, now multiple these two, how much? 1.414, 4, 6, 24, 4, 3 is 12 plus 2, 14, 4, 2 is 8 plus 1, 9, 4, 2 is 8, 1, 6, 1, 3 is 1, 2 is 1, 2 is 4, 6, same, 4, 3 is 12, 13, 14, 4, 2 is 8, 9, 4, 2 is 8, 6, 3, 2, 2, 4, 10, 13, 4, 17, 10, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 4, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 3, 16, 10, 11, 3. So point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3.161704 will get by 4. Now you have to subtract this one. 4.472 minus 3.161. 3 decimals enough. 1, 7 minus 6, 1. So 1.311 by 4. Okay, children? Now you should divide this one. Divide by 4. Zero times 1 point. Okay, 4 3s 12, 1, bring down 1, 4 2s 8, 11 minus 8, how much? 3, again bring down 1, 4 8 32, 4 7 28. So up to 3 decimals only they are found, no? They are 0.327. Okay, come on, right. Next, 8th question, see children, find 64 1 by 6. 64 power of 1 by 6 given. How can you do this one? So what is given? Given 64 power 1 by 6 given. Okay. So 64 can be written as 2 power 6. Can you write like this? 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 2s 16, 16 2s 32, 32 2s 64. So that's why I'm writing 2 power 6. Here 1 by 6, no? 1 by 6. See here 6, 6 will be cancelled. 2 power 1. 2 power 1 means how much? 2 only answer. Okay children? Like that you can do. Next. Second one. 32 power 1 by 5. So what is given? Given 32 power of 1 by 5. So So 32, how can you write? 2 2s, 4, 4 2s, 8, 8 2s, 16, 16 2s, 32. So 2 power 5, whole power 1 by 5. So 5 will be cancelled. 2 is the answer. 2 power 1 is 2 only. Okay. Next, third one. 625 1 by 4. So 625 given here. Given 625 whole power 1 by 4. So 5 table check it. 5 5 25 25 plus like that will become 4 times. So 5 power 4 whole power 1 by 4. 4 4 will be cancelled. 5 is the answer. Okay. Next 16. 3 power 3 by 2 is given. So given 16 power 3 by 2. How can you write this one? 16 can be write as 4 square. 3 by 2. Okay. Now 2 2 will be cancelled. What is remaining? 4 power 3. So 4 power 3 means how much? 4 4 16, 16 4 64. 64 is the answer. Like that you can do. Okay, children? Come on, do. Next, fifth one. Two hundred and 43 power 2 by 5. So given 243 power 2 by 5. So 243 can be written as 3 power 5. Whole power 2 by 5. So 5 will be cancelled. What is the remaining? 3 power 2. 3 power 2 means what? 9. Next, sixth one. 4 6 6 5 6 whole power minus 1 by 6 given. So what is given? 4 6 6 5 6 whole power minus 1 by 6. So this one it can be written as 6 power 6 whole power minus 1 by 6. So 6 will be cancelled. What is the remaining? 6 power minus 1. 6 power minus 1, how can you write? 1 by 6. Okay, ma? Right.